today's vlog, as you can see, nandito ulit kami sa labas because we're gonna take you guys with us. Today is actually December 1st and yung temperature is -6 na guys. Nakikita niyo ba? -6 na yan. -6 na. So it's kinda cold na here. Pero hindi naman like super na nag-snow na. Wala pa naman. Ayan. Meron pa namang sun and everything. So yeah. And
we're just gonna exercise and
yeah, we're gonna take you guys with us.
like mornings.
Mornings in Korea. Wow. So yeah, let's go. Go girl. And guys, ako, I can feel my hands na. They're feeling numb. Kasi sobrang lamig. That's the girl. Exercise daw siya. So yeah guys, this is our favorite place spot here. Wow! Wow, ang cute! Ang ganda! Wow, ang ganda dito. Yeah, let me take a picture of you, Irage. I don't know, Irage? I don't know. Hello! Are you tired already? Hands namin look. Hindi na namin sila na-feel. Guys, we're gonna take a break muna because kakatapos lang namin mag-jogging ng like 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So yun, we're just gonna take a break muna and sit here, right here. So we brought drinks. Ayan, we're gonna show you guys. Sharon! Yummy. My drink is mangosteen.
And this is passion fruit.
Guys, we also brought some snacks with us. Ito, super bar. So yeah, we're gonna eat first kasi medyo napagod kami ng slide. Super slide. Let's stay healthy, guys. Stay healthy. Feeling healthy. Here.
Yeah.
What for you, sister? Thanks, girl. And wala masyadong tao dito, guys. So let's see. Even if we take off our mask muna for a moment.
Bangag na bangag.
Kasi sabi naman yung kasi yan, yan.
Uy! Nag-ano ka?
Ay!
Oh.
Shock! Oh! Taste test. Taste test. Taste test. I like this one better. It's good. Super bar. No. I like it. Yummy. So crunchy, right? Fresh. So guys, we're done eating. Ayan, wala na. It's all done. It's all wala na talaga. So yeah, now
I want granola more.
yeah. So let's go exercise na tayo ulit. Pero maglalakad-lakad muna kami kasi kakakain lang namin. Let's go. If you guys notice, naka-matchy kami. Matchy.
Yes.
Yung sa akin pink, yung sa kanya blue. So cute. Ayan guys, may konting tubig dyan. And my sister is over there. She's so fast. Balik. Nag-exercise talaga siya. She's right there. And look at me. I'm just walking, chilling, or whatever. Pagod na kasi ako, guys. I can't take this anymore. Grabe.
There's a coffee shop over there where you can take a rest and drink some coffee.
Yeah, a cup of coffee.
Yeah, if you got tired of walking, exercising. Yeah, here, this is the coffee shop
Place for you.
for you. Actually, it's a cafe medium.
That means you can buy coffee or any snacks.
Yeah,
Or
snacks.
ramen like that.
We didn't bring any money, so we're not gonna buy anything.
Yeah. Even if we want to, we can't.
Let's go home! Dito kami dumadaan. Yes! Look at those leaves!
Cutie. Hi guys, so we just got home. Ouch. So we just got home and now it's time to eat. Again. Intake Korea sent over this foods. Ayan. You can actually you can actually check them out sa Shopee. The link will be put in the description box if you guys are interested.
Yeah.
First is we got this Intake Special SUGARLOLO SUGARLOLO box. It's like a jelly konjac jelly, passion fruit and mangosteen.
Yeah.
So
We
the
ate this one a while ago.
foods are perfect for those people who are, you know, health conscious or yung mga gustong mag-diet.
Yeah.
And then we also got this morning. This one is morning juk sejak pori. It's a morning porridge barley sprout.
Yeah.
We got this one and we got another flavor.
Porridge.
This is morning porridge
Red bean.
So the two
Actually, they
flavors.
have different flavors. You can check them out. Yeah. They have banana, milk,
and many more,
Yeah.
but we chose this one because we haven't tried this one. I mean, yung mga ganitong flavor, we haven't tried. So this is a tea, of course.
It's all
It's a
natural.
tea, and it's really healthy. Wait lang. This water, there are 6 bottles here, 0 sugar, so...
But this one, it's apple flavor.
Yes.
And it has
Parang water lang siya with the flavor.
5 calories. Kika.
Next! The gut!
Yeah.
We also ate that a while ago, if you guys...
I love this one. It has 12 pieces per box.
Granola!
Keto-Diet.
Wow!
This one has cinnamon flavor. There's also cheese flavor, but you can choose between them, of course. But I chose this one because I love cinnamon.
We love granola.
Yeah.
We love every food. That
Cinnamon, if cereal siya. Next is this milk 1 box. And it has
Ilang pieces ba to?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14?
14, yeah.
14 packs. 14 packs. And
Ayan.
this is how it looks like. Yeah.
You can just get. You can just open it and then put it sa inyong cereal or what apple.
So yeah, let's try the porridge. Actually, the porridge, you can eat it hot or cold.
Yeah, hot or
But now, because
It
it's
depends
winter,
sa inyong
let's-
preference.
yeah. But here, because it's winter, we're gonna eat it hot.
This is mine though.
Red bean, and yours is
I'm gonna try this one.
barley.
Barley
Red
sprout.
Let's try this.
Hi! So yeah, we're done. Ito na siya. And then, naglagay pala kami ng granola
Super
bar,
bar, yes.
sa taas kasi perfect combination kapag. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it.
Ooh, sweet. Taste it. Let's taste it with granola.
I like it.
Alright. I like it with granola bars.
It tastes better with granola. Kasi nagko-complement. Okay.
But it doesn't look, appetizing.
But it's really good. It tastes better than it looks.
It is good. With granola.
Did you add?
Yeah, they put granola.
Is that what?
Yeah.
Combination?
Yeah, combination.
Iruwa yogi.
I know it's taste.
Masisa?
It's
How about this one? Sweet. It's kind of cold now, but still. It's not that sweet. I mean, it's not sweet.
green tea.
Just so.
Masisa.
Matcha.
Yeah, matcha. Which one do you prefer?
I'm not so familiar with this taste, so I would prefer.
Yeah, me too.
But
But this one is good too.
Mm.
Health-wise.
yeah,
This is more healthy, right?
I think your dad will choose this one.
Wala kasi si daddy ngayon may meeting, so hindi namin siya mapapatikim sa kanya.
Same taste, sweeter lang isa.
Yeah. What is this one?
With granola.
Masarap.
It's good. Do you want more?
I will get a new one.
And then now let's try this one without milk first. We love granola. Masarap.
I think it's almonds, nuts. Right? Nuts. All nuts. I can just eat it as it is.
This is the next one, guys. Sobrang yummy. So excited. So yeah, let's try this one. Let's try the milk.
Ooh.
The milk.
This one.
Masarap.
Right? I like that. How with blueberry and banana?
And it's creamy, guys. Creamy yung milk na.
You love granola, so very well. This one.
Actually, guys, ito. Tindayan namin to kanina. It's really good. So, hindi namin siya try ngayon. And then what else? Apple flavor. Let's just try this one. Kanyang choguman. Maja, let's just try it.
Let's drink water.
Let's drink water. Stay healthy. Stay hydrated, everyone.
Apple flavor.
And this one has 5 calories. K-cal. And that, meron siyang, parang uminom ka ng Coke. Try it. Meron siyang acid. Maja?
Acid.
It's a carbonated water, guys. So, parang ka lang umiinom ng Sprite. It's really good though. If you want like flavored water, this one is the perfect water for you.
So guys, if you want to try something from the foods that we've tried, just
Go to buy something.
Go to the description box and
We will put the link there. Meron silang shop sa Shopee Philippines, so
check
you
them
can
out.
check that out. And also, voucher code. You can also
I don't know. That one.
busog na busog. And then guys, meron din voucher code para meron kayong a little discount.
Yeah, if you want to purchase.
We will just put the code in the description box if you guys are interested. So if you're gonna ask us kung ano yung mga favorites naman or yung mga may recommend word products that
We love.
Yeah, we love.
From this store.
Definitely this one
And this one, granola, because we love granola, guys. Every time na nag-grocery kami, we always buy granola. Actually, we have a lot in our pantry.
So I love granola.
So that's it for today's video.
Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.
Bye.